G'day cocktail lovers, this is my version of a cocktail called a Taco Belle with an E on the end of Bell. Now I say my version because when I found the first one that gave me inspiration, I noticed there's quite a few cocktails published on various sites with the name or a very similar name, and they're all different. And I just took elements that I saw in them and said, that's how I want to build it. And mine has elements that are meant to suggest, at least vaguely, the whole thing of a taco. And this is following the old-fashioned structure, essentially. It's got tequila in it to represent Mexico. And I've also gone with some corn whiskey, because some recommended a corn liqueur, which I don't have. This is an Australian corn whiskey. It's designed, how do they say it? 100% pure corn whiskey made using Ord Valley corn, grown on a family farm. I believe they essentially followed the rules for making bourbon, like with new oak barrels and everything, except of course because it's made in Australia, they can't call it bourbon, and so it's corn whiskey. And to spice things up, as tacos often are, there's going to be a little bit of Ancho Rare's chili liqueur in there, and there'll be a little bit of sugar syrup and some lime bitters, because I think the lime flavour is often in with the Mexican food as well. That all comes together into this drink, which I've chosen to do without a garnish. I could have put a corn chip there. That would have been gross. Or crushed up corn chips, or maybe a salt and chili rim. You know, you could get creative if you wanted to do that, or even just a lime wedge. Price of limes at the moment, no way I'm doing that. But I am going to try it now, because this is an experiment, so let's see how it's worked. That tastes good. I tell you what, just that little bit I've used of the chili liqueur really comes through. If you like things spicy, you can always add more, but here's how I made it. In a mixing glass, we put 1 ounce or 30 mils of corn whiskey. Then we add 1 ounce or 30 mils of reposado tequila. Then we're adding just 1/4 ounce, around 7.5 mils of the chili liqueur, and 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mils of sugar syrup, rounding things out with 2 dashes of lime bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass over the big, sexy clear ice, if you've got it. If you don't have a way to make clear ice, I'll show you with a video linked at the end of this one. It's the easiest, cheapest, and most space-effective way to do it. Once you see how easy it is, you'll be amazed you haven't been doing it all along. It just looks cool. I just really like how the clear ice looks. Some people say, why go to all that trouble? Because it's fun and it looks cool. Why wouldn't you? Honestly, why would you not do something that is a bit of fun and kind of looks cool if you're easily impressed like I am? But this has come together into quite a nice drink. And like I said, there's a lot of room for playing. You are not necessarily going to have the exact things I have, but you should always be willing to experiment, because that's what I did here. And it's come together into a really nice drink, which I'm now going to sit back and enjoy. So I hope you're taking care wherever you are, and I hope you come back soon, because I'd love to see you for some more cocktails down the line. But until such time as I do see you again, I'll say cheers.